Gold stayed bullish for the day while silver traded in range. We have seen silver failing to break the upper resistances while gold has moved towards our next target at 27.9091. I hope you all profited with the first update which I shared few hours back where the buy call was at 27.84. Now what to expect today with the US session? There is also lot much of data projections for the month of October slated to release, and definitely this will bring a lot much of volatility. How to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames. Gives you a proper reasoning for you to take a particular trade at a particular price point and trade profitably. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. Now, see, first gold on the hourly chart. See, every time it diverges from the 20 period, it tries to come back towards 20 period. It appears that it is willing to move towards 20 period here, which is also a very good support at 27.75, 70. Four levels and then 27.70, 72. These two levels are going to play a major role today. Any drop below these two definitely should be an indication of more bearishness, which can take the prices towards 27.64 or 27.60 levels as well. Stochastic has dropped. Look at the MACD. This is crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Signs are slight bearish here on the hourly charts. Coming to the 2-hour, likewise on the 2-hour chart, see it has formed a cusp and it is ready to take a drop here. We have to wait. We have to wait for it to drop below 27.74, 75 and then 70.72. These two levels are going to play a major role, and see the 20 period here is sitting at around 27.68. So this is also one of the support levels which will come into picture. Look at the formation. Too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Possibly it may try to show a move towards downside. Stochastic has dropped. MACD willing to converge. Crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 3, when you look at the 3-hour charts here, see stayed bullish here. Higher highs, higher lows are done, and now it is trying to show a reversal sign. This could be the first candle in series, and we can see or we can expect a series of red candles from here where the prices can in fact move towards 27.60 or lower levels. Possibility is there. If you look at the formation, rise, then the sharp drop has appeared, rise, and the sharp drop could appear here. Now where this drop could lead to, it can in fact hit 27.40, which is the strongest support for the day. Any drop below 27.40 is a sign of bearishness. Stochastic has just come out of the overbought zone. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. It is still in green. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. On the 4, the observation is more or less same. But remember, I will say the support levels you should notice, these are going to play a major role before we see any drop here. So first thing is 74, 75 and then 70 levels are going to remain very, very good support here for gold for the day. Now see, consolidation is seen. Let it break below 74, 75 zone, and then this could be the beginning of the downside for gold. Else right now it is not showing any such stronger signs of bearishness. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI just staying in the overbought zone. Coming to the daily charts. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Now look at the daily charts here. See, yes, it is uh, delivering waves here, and see if you look at this formation, it has formed a very good support now at 27.20 level. So this complete zone between 27.40 and 27.20 is going to remain the prime support for gold for the near term, for today, tomorrow and the next week. These levels are going to play a very important. Next thing is what gold did today is it is open flat. See, yesterday's candle, you should observe it. It is a flat candle with a flat top and a flat bottom. This is a Mariboju candle here, and see it has started on a bullish note. Now starting on the bullish note, we have already seen it delivering the highs. Now if you see this as a pivot, we have seen 27.75 to 27.90, and if you include $15 and make this a median, possibility is there that we may see 27.60 today. But for this to happen, it has to break past the resistances on the downside. Right now, it is very much staying in the bullish zone. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are rising and are slightly overbought. So considering now a buying entry in gold is about 2786.5, where you can expect 2790.91, and then 2798, 2804 levels should appear. If it stays above 2790.91, and we can expect more bullishness to prevail, where 2798, 2804 should be easily achievable. But I will say you have to be cautious on the upside again. I am giving you a signal that you have to be cautious, means the buy trades which you are taking, you have to trail the stop losses strictly. On the sell side, I will recommend you to sell here at 2774.75. Just be alert till towards 2770.68 first target zone, 2764 second, and then 2760 should appear. The bearishness today is only below 2760, where in fact 2754 and 50 levels are going to remain a major support, and then below 2750 is where strong bearish momentum should appear, where we can look forward to 2740, 30, and 20 levels. Below 20, it is going to deliver a crash. Trade accordingly. Let's move to when you look at silver, I have mentioned earlier that see it has formed a flat top and it has dropped since then. It is only a buy if it trades above 34.40. So far for the day, it has refrained from breaking beyond. And the second observation here is it has failed to break below $34 levels. That is another important observation here. So now again for the day, if you see it is staying below 34, 33.90, you can initiate a selling entry here. You can expect it to drop towards 33.70, 33.50 levels, while a buying is only about 34.40, 34.50 levels. Let's see further. Stochastic flat, MACD bearish, RSI has dropped here. On the 2-hour charts, when you see price has come down to take the support from the 20 period, you can see a very good support from the 20 period moving average, and see the swings here, lower highs, lower lows. I'll wait for the next candle. Any drop below $34 level should be a good sign of more bearishness towards 33.70.80, and then below that we can see 33.50.40 levels as the next targets. If you observe the movement here, you will find that silver is trading in this bearish flag formation here, and see hitting the highs, it can hit the lows. Where are the lows right now? At $33 levels. Stochastic is already at bottom, while the MACD has crossed over for a sell, which is a slight bearish sign. RSI looking downwards, again a bearish sign here. While on the 3-hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Look at how beautiful the formation is. Lower highs and lower lows are seen here. Second thing to note here is the bearishness getting diminished, but this candle has just started, or I will wait for the next candle. And if you see the next candle trading below 34, we can expect more bearishness here, where the chances of 33.80.70 will be high, and then we can in fact look forward to 33.50.40 levels as the next target. Any point of time, silver trading below 33.40, you can stay short for 33.15 and 32.95 levels as the next targets. Stochastic has dropped sharp, MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell. RSI has dropped here. Coming to the 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation, lower highs, lower lows, and the preceding candle almost closing in a doji. This error in the charts is due to the daylight savings which is kicked off in UK, and that is where we can see this slight error candle here, but largely saying lower highs, lower lows, preceding candle closing in a doji. Possibility of a move towards 20 period exists, which means we can see silver breaching below 34, and then below that you can expect more bearishness to prevail, which can take it towards 33.80.70, or in fact lower levels. As I have shown you, this is how it has been trading, and thus the lows of this channel are far below towards 32.80. Stochastic has dropped sharp, MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is suggestive of slight bearishness. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart, see a reversal sign, a retracement, and see if you can look at these two candles, what has happened? A stronger rise, then a stronger pullback. Now if you look at these two candles, these could be the symmetrical candles as well. A stronger rise, stronger could be the pullback, means if it shows a stronger pullback here, the possibility of a price is to come towards 33.40, 33.50 exist here. So we have to be cautious here on the downside. As long as 33.40.50 is not taken, we have to be careful. Possibilities there, it can move towards the 20 period moving average. Now look at the stock. I see this is rising, the MACD is in green, trying to converge, the RSI has dropped. Looking at this, first of all, only buying entry I will recommend now in silver is above 34.40, where you can expect 34.55.60 as the first target zone. And if you see silver trading above 34.60, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 38, 34.85 and 35.10 levels. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 34, 33.95 levels. Expect 33.80, 70 as the first target level, 33.50, 40 as the next. Below 33.40 is where more bearishness to prevail. We can wait for 33.20 and 32.80 levels as well. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.